tell you about subtraction of mixed fraction. For example, subtract 4 2 by 3 from 50. That means 15 minus 4 2 by 3. Okay, then we can be written in this form 15 minus. First, this number 4 2 by 3 is a mixed fraction. So first we convert improper fraction. Then it can be written 4 plus 2 by 3. Okay, which is equal to 15 means 50 by 1 in fraction form minus 4 plus 2 by 3. Convert improper form, which is equal to 4 into 3 is 12. 4 into 3 is 12. 12 plus 2, 14. That is 14. Whole divided by denominator is 3. So 3 is written in this form. Okay. So 50 by 1 minus 14 by 3. It's an improper form. So first we find LCM of denominator, that is 1 and 3 is 3. So next express all the fractions with the LCM as their denominators, that is 14 by 3 into 1 by 1, that is 14 by 3 into 1 by 1 means 14 into 1 is equal to 14 divided by 3 into 1 is 3, 14 by 3. Next 15 by 1, its denominator is 3, so also form denominator is 3. Now 15 into 3 is 45, 1 into 3 is 3. So in this two fraction numbers denominators are same. Therefore 45 by 3 minus 14 by 3. Now denominators are same. So first numerator of first fraction minus numerator of second fraction whole divided by common denominator of the two fractions. That is 45 minus 14 whole divided by 3. Therefore 45 minus 14 is 31 divided by 3. Then we can return in this mixed fraction how to write in mixed fraction, that is 31 divided by 3 is 10 into 3 is 30. So 10 into 3 is 30. Then 31 minus 30 is 1. So we can write 10 1 by 3. Okay, 31 by 3 we can return in mixed fraction is 10 1 by 3. I will tell you about multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. For example, find 1 by 5 into 4, which means 1 by 5 add 4 times. That's equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5. All the denominators are same. So 1 plus numerators add numerator. Then 1 plus 1 is 4. 4 divided by 5. Therefore 1 by 5 into 4 is 4 by 5. Let's we take another example. For example, 5 by 6 into 12. So also find 5 by 6 means 5 by 6 is adding 12 times. And also we find in this method 5 by 6 into 12 means 5 by 6 into 12 divided by 1. Therefore multiplying 5 into 12 divided by 6 into 1. That is 5 into 12 is 60 divided by 6. I will tell you about multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. For example, 1 by 2 into 1 by 4. So we write in this form. Now we multiply these two fractions. That is, first we multiplying numerators of two fractions. That is 1 into 1 divided by, then multiplying denominators. Then 2 into 4. So 1 into 1 is 1 divided by 2 into 4 is 8. So the answer is 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 8. Now in general, multiplication of two fractions is p by q into r by s is equal to p into r divided by q into s. Next I will tell you about multiplication of a mixed numbers with proper fractions and whole numbers. For example, 4 2 by 3 into 4 by 5. First, we convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction, that is 4 2 by 3. 4 2 by 3 is converting improper fraction. So, first multiplying 4 into 3 plus 2 whole divided by 3. 4 into 3 12. 12 plus 2 14. 14 divided by 3. Now, therefore, 14 by 3 into 4 by 5. So, multiplying numerators and multiplying denominators. So, 14 into 4 divided by 3 into 5, which is equal to 56 divided by 15. Therefore, we can write 56 divided by 15 in this form, 311 by 15. Show in another example. For example, 5 into 1 2 by 5. First we convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. The mixed fraction is 1 2 by 5. So 1 into 5 plus 2 whole divided by 5. That is 1 into 5 5. 5 plus 2 7. 7 divided by 5. Therefore 5 into 7 by 5. 5 means 5 by 1. Therefore multiplying numerators, 5 into 7 35 divided by 1 into 5 5. 35 by 5 is 7. I will tell you about reciprocal. Then what do you mean by reciprocal? Reciprocal of any number is that number which when multiplied with the original number gives unity. Let's learn reciprocal for different types of numbers. So first one is reciprocal of whole numbers. The reciprocal of a whole number a is 1 by a. A is not equal to 0. Okay. For example, reciprocal of 12 is 1 by 12. Then another example is reciprocal of 100 is 1 by 100. Okay. Now, going to discuss about reciprocal of fractions. Okay. The reciprocal of fractions. The fraction form is a by b. Then the reciprocal of fraction is b by a. Now, let's discuss about proper fractions. For example, reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. Reciprocal of 4 by 7 is 7 by 4. Next, discussing about mixed fractions. For example, find the reciprocal of 8 3 by 5. To find the reciprocal of mixed fraction, first convert it into an improper fraction and then find its reciprocal. So first we convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Then 8 into 5 or 5 into 8 plus 3 whole divided by 5 is equal to 5 into 8 plus 3 is equal to 43 divided by 5. Therefore, the reciprocal of 8 3 by 5 is 5 by 43.